Choosing what to study and where is a big decision. Coming to an open day is one of the best ways to see if it's the right fit for you. There's so much to see, consider and get excited about when you come and visit our sports park. Here are a few tips to make the most out of your day. 1. Plan ahead. There's a lot happening. Subject sessions, tours and talks. Check your programme so you don't miss out. 2. Get in on the action. Once you're here, get involved in as many activities as possible. It's the best way to get a sense of your future and really see our facilities come to life. 3. Ask questions. We're a friendly bunch, so come and chat to our academics and our students on the day to get their perspective. There will also be a lot of advice during the open day, so keep an eye out for our information stands and come and speak directly to our student support services. It's sometimes handy having a list of questions ready. 4. Explore. While you're here, come and take a campus tour, check out our facilities and come and see our Students' Union. We've got loads of clubs, societies and sport teams. There really is something for everyone. If you're looking for a home away from home, come and check out our accommodation. And if you need a little pick-me-up, don't forget to pick up your free Welsh cake and cuppa. 5. Capture your experience. Take photos, make notes and record your highlights. These small details can really make the difference in seeing where you want to go and study. Now you've got the tips and you know what to expect, you're all set to make the most out of your visit, and we cannot wait to welcome you here at Sports Park.